In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete downloads from Google Drive. This process is important for keeping your Google Drive organized and ensuring you have enough storage space. Let's start with the first step. Begin by tapping on the Windows key and the letter J at the same time. Alternatively, you can click on the three dots or three lines in the top right corner of your web browser. Doing this will open your download history. This step is crucial because it helps you quickly locate and manage your downloaded files. You will see a pop-up or a tab displaying all your recent downloads. If you are using a browser like Chrome or Firefox, the layout might vary slightly, but the function remains the same. Next, select the Downloads option from the menu. This action will take you directly to a list of all the files that you have downloaded. You will notice that the list is organized by date, showing the most recent downloads at the top. This organization is beneficial as it allows you to find the files you want to manage efficiently. With this list open, you can see all relevant details, including file names and download times. Once you have the downloads list open, it will show the list of the latest downloads. This is a straightforward step, yet it is essential for identifying which files you might want to delete. You will see a variety of file types, ranging from documents to images and videos. Take a moment to scan through this list. Remember, the files you see here are stored on your local hardware, not within Google Drive itself. Now you can click on the folder icon located right near the downloaded file's name. This folder icon allows you to check the actual files saved in your Downloads folder on your device. By doing this, you will have a visual confirmation of where the files are stored and what they look like. This step is helpful because it gives you a chance to review the files before deciding to delete them. You might find files that you no longer need or want to keep, so take your time with this step. After you have reviewed your downloads, select the Google Drive files you want to delete. This is a critical step because it directly affects what will be removed from your local storage. You can select multiple files by holding down the Control key while clicking on each file. This flexibility allows you to manage your downloads more effectively, especially if you want to clean up a significant number of files. Once you have made your selections, press the Delete key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can right-click on the selected files and choose the trash can icon from the context menu. This step is important because it ensures that the files you no longer need are removed from your system. You will see a confirmation or an empty space where those files once were, giving you immediate feedback that your action was successful. In summary, managing your downloads is a straightforward process that helps maintain your device's performance and storage space. By following these steps, you can easily delete files from your Downloads folder, keeping everything organized and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy organizing!